Good morning. Okay. Did you know that poor oral hygiene can lead to serious systemic diseases? Oh, tuwang-tuwa kayo. And the sad truth is, more than 70% of Filipinos have experienced and suffered toothache, gum disease, and bad breath. Tama? Sino po ba dito ang hindi pa naka-experience ng toothache, gum disease, or gingivitis, or bad breath? Meron po ba? Really? That's 100%. That's more than 70%. So, it's serious, but it's often neglected. Before I continue, I am Dr. Cherry Dulno Litawin. For those who know, I am Dr. Cherry Litawin. I am a licensed dentist for 17 years. 10 years I spent in the government. And from 2018 to present, I practice my own private clinic in my hometown, La Trinidad, Benguet. And I am also an 8-year-old Atomian, and I'm the center head of Alpha Center, La Trinidad, Benguet. Yes, so with that introduction a while ago, what if I told you that when you improve on your oral hygiene, you can prevent those serious diseases from happening and from worsening? Yes, marami pong tumatango. Kasi po, maraming guilty. Alright? So today, I would like to discuss to you the very products why I joined Atomy in 2016. And these products is very closely related to my profession. These products of Atomy, I believe, can, when used properly, can improve our quality of life. Do you agree? Yes. It's the same as true with the medical doctors who presented in the past Success Academies. I, for one, stand here and can attest that the Atomy products can improve our quality of life. So let's start with the very basic product, which is, for me, this is the gold standard toothbrush because of its gold-infused bristles. All right? As you can see, it is made of very fine, very soft, but sturdy bristles in such a way na natatanggal po niya yung air, yung mga tinga, those food impacted in between those teeth that are hard to reach by your usual toothbrush in the past. But only Atomy was able to do that as per my personal experience. And this gold powder, 99.9%, that is infused in the bristles of this toothbrush, is not something that protects your teeth from bacteria. It actually protects itself. It protects the bristle, making it antibacterial. All right? So don't confuse. Para kahit saan nyo siya ilagay, kung ano pong nakasanayan ninyo, ay hindi siya madaling kapitan at hindi magkaroon ng growth ng bacteria na siya pang maidadagdag sa already marami ng overpopulated na bacteria na ating bunganga. Alright? And it even has this this clear handle na napakadaling linisan. You just wipe it off after you brush. It's not going to induce the growth of molds, di ba? If you live in a place like sa amin sa bundok, madalas po kami magkaroon ng molds, no? Kahit saan, pati sa handle ng toothbrushes, pati yung, most especially the one made of rubber. So I ditch all of that. And then it has this round-ended head. As you know, whenever you try to reach the corner, the back part of your teeth, of your mouth, di ba bumabangga? If you've ever tried the square-ended toothbrush, ours is rounded in such a way na pwede niyang linisan yung area na yun without hurting that particular part. Alright? Yes. Pinapalakpakan po yan. And one thing I like about Atomy is it gave us these 3 different sizes that can fit different age groups. Of course, we have the one for adults, and most of us, I believe, is using this one, right? It comes in 4 colors, buy 2, that's 8 pieces of toothbrush in a box. All of them comes in 8 pieces in a box. You can change your toothbrush even every after a month. And hindi mo pa ubos yung isang box. It's only how much. And this toothbrush, you can even share to your family and friends. Napakaganda po ng toothbrush na to. And for this, wala namang strict na ano po, but it's just a suggestion. 13 years old and above, you can use the adult toothbrush. For those mga 7 to 12, hindi na sila masyadong bata, pero hindi pa rin sila adult. They can use the compact and the one for the kids. You know, I love that one because why? As a dentist, in order to change yung statistic na na-mention ko kanina, in fact, already 100% experiencing dental problems, we start with the young ones. Kahit nga nasa sinapupunan pa sila. So anyway, young ones really need a lot of motivation, di ba? Kaya may mga toothbrush na made of cartoon characters, the toothpaste made of fruity flavors, those kind of things. Our Atomy company come up with a actually very good toothbrush. Ang ganda ng design niya. So most of the kids in my clinic love this toothbrush. It fits their hands so well. And nakakatuwa po, bilang isang dentista, na marinig yung nanay na sasabihin, Doktora, yung anak ko nagbabrush na po. Yes, because we are not just trying to deal with the problem, with the disease, but we are trying to build the habit. Para hanggang paglaki nila, dala-dala nila yung magandang habit na yan, kahit man lang sa pagtutoothbrush, alright? Of course, with that wonderful toothbrush, it should come with another pair, which is yung toothpaste. And dapat napakaganda rin ito. Sabi nga kanina, absolute quality and absolute price. Our Atomy Propolis toothpaste is a winner. This is like your nature shield, right? If the toothbrush is the golden standard, for me, this is the nature shield. Why? Propolis, its main ingredient, has so many protective features. Ang dami po niyang antis. Antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, anti-so many kalaban ng ating bunganga. That is how powerful our propolis is. And I wouldn't, what do you call this? Hindi ako magtataka kung bakit during the COVID time, merong nagsabing they use this to combat the COVID, although it's not recommended because it has other ingredients that are not for that purpose. But it does have that function. Right? So let's not abuse yung limit also ng ating products. And it's not just the propolis that's very good in this toothpaste. It also comes with green tea extract. It has a similar effect. So, hindi na sapat yung isang product. Dagdagan pa natin ng isa pang product na kahit may similar effect, but when combined together, they can have a better result. So, ang galing, no? Green tea extract, aside from its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial as well, it helps in deodorizing. It helps in combating the bad breath. But alone, it may not be able to do so much. And of course, the sodium fluoride. I don't know about your belief, but sodium fluoride, we cannot do away with sodium fluoride. It's the natural occurring compound, substance, that can actually harden yung structures ng ating enamel. Did you know that the hardest part of the body is found in your teeth? And it's called the enamel. But there is one weakness of enamel that is acid. So with the sodium fluoride, nare-repair siya for a certain period, okay? And then, another thing that I like about our toothpaste is the presence of xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar. What? Sugar? Nasa toothpaste? Yes po. What is so wonderful about xylitol is Whenever the bacteria eat on the xylitol, it does not produce acid, just like the other sugars. Oh, right? That is the role of xylitol. Pwede na po tayo umuwi at bumili na toothpaste and share the love. All right. So, hindi po ito preparation for the kids and for the adults, unlike the toothbrush, no? But we have yung mga mas economical ang ating 200 gram that comes in 5 packs. Mas matipid po siya. It's pampamilya. Hindi lang pampamilya, pang sports pa. And then we have yung smaller sizes. Kaya mas mahal siya, of course, we have to consider yung packaging, right? One of these size is equivalent to 4 of that small sizes. But it's okay, it's very handy and you can bring it anywhere you go. It's for the family and for the singles. Oh, pwede yan. Okay. And, of course, for the people who love to travel or who love to sleep, or your work requires you to sleep in many places, ito po ang bagay na bagay sa inyo. And then you bring it to your office, you bring it to your workplace, you bring it anywhere. You bring it to your school. Ito actually, product na to ang isa sa pinaka-saleable sa pinakaunang pasok ko po sa Atomy. Kasi natutuwa sila, it's almost like their first time to see a set of toothpaste and a toothbrush. And also comes with a floss. No, that floss, yung maliit po na yon, is very good for those, especially mga naka-braces. Kasi for most of us, hindi naman siya kakasya talaga. It's an interdental toothbrush. You can wash it, rinse it, and put it back to the case. It's also bendable. And parang free niya yan. So, tuwang-tuwa yung mga patient ko na may braces for this. Okay? Now, the toothpaste and the toothbrush alone are actually very good na, right? But I would like to add to my presentation today the supplements that can actually support our oral health. Would you like to know? Okay, let's go. All right. So first, we have the vitamin C. Alam nyo na po yan. But let me share to you kung anong function niya sa ating oral health. Anong role niya, right? Well, number 1, our vitamin C has this very pleasant taste. Na yung mga batang napakahirap bigyan ng vitamins, you give this one, magiging keep out of reach of children. Why? Baka akala nila orange juice, so they tend to take it again and again. So just give them once a day, that's enough. And it also has an added color food in there. 5 sa yellow food, tsaka 2 sa red food. For those nutritionists, alam niyo po kung ano yun. But it's an add-on to this vitamin C na very essential and helpful, hindi lang para sa oral health, kundi sa buong katawan. Ang vitamin C po, tinutulungan niyang mag-synthesize ng yung ating katawan ng collagen. And collagen is needed for the tissues like the gums, the bones, you know, those connective tissues, yung mga related sa medical, But in our mouth, in simple term, very helpful siya sa ating gums. Who among you experience bleeding gums? Lagi-lagi na lang namamaga, mamaya nagsisingaw, those kind of things. Or, feeling nyo humahaba yung ngipin nyo. Yun pala, umiiksi yung gums nyo. Okay? You have gingivitis, and the worst case is periodontitis. It involves not just the gums, but including the bones as well. This vitamins is very good for healing, for repair, and for prevention of such diseases. Yung mga nagpapabunot sa clinic, napansin ko po, napakabilis mag-heal ng gums nila. If I incorporate the vitamin C to their post-operative instruction. So we add that up. Pati yung mga after cleaning, mas mabilis yung healing ng kanilang gums. It's very evident. Okay? And of course naman, no doubt about the quality of our vitamin C. So just do with this. And then of course, nung nabanggit ko kanina na parang humahaba ang inyong mga ngipin, yun pala, nagkakaroon na po kayo ng bone loss. And pag nagkaroon ng bone loss, your gum follows. Kasi wala na siyang support. Underneath or kung saan naka-embed yung mga ngipin natin, it's not just gums, but there's a stronger structure, which is your bone, na kapag your body start to experience some bone loss, evident din siya sa inyong gums. So, you need calcium for that. And you don't want na mangyari yon bago po kayong mag-take ng calcium. We advise that you take this as soon as possible or starting now if you didn't start yet, or please start it with the young kids, with your children. Yung hindi pa nagkakaroon ng bone loss, to prevent it from happening in the short future. Okay? So it enhances the bone of not just our gum and teeth, but our bone in general. And then, ang role din nitong calcium na to is tumutulong na neutralize ng acid kasi, we eat and then like I mentioned a while ago, the bacteria feed on the food debris that we did not clean, the sugar, and they produce more acid kaya nagkakaroon na ng tooth decay. Nawawala na yung tigas ng enamel, nagkakaroon na ng cavity. So, this calcium will help also in acid neutralization and remineralization. Kapag nanghihina yung ating enamel, with the calcium phosphate, nagkakaroon ng nagre-remineralize siya, tumitigas siya ulit. Okay? And then, it is paired with the vitamin D for faster absorption, better absorption, and the magnesium to help the vitamin D become more active. Okay? That's the role of this. Yeah, and of course, the smaller tablet is also good para sa mga bata na mahirap mong bigyan ng vitamins. And then third supplement is the probiotics. Who among you here, kahit nagpapalinis kayo sa dentista, nagbabrush naman kayo lagi, sinusunod yung lahat ng instruction ng dentist, yet a close friend or partner of yours is complaining na may bad breath pa rin kayo. Have you ever experienced that? Yes. Because when all is clear in your mouth, well, of course, ang number one cause talaga ng bad breath, look into the mouth first. When everything is clear and clean, walang sirang ngipin, walang dumi, and then may persistent na bad breath, it could be coming from your sinuses or from your gut. The good thing with the probiotics of Atomy is it has this many good bacteria that works on our gut, and with that, pag na-deal na niya yung ating gut and brings it to a better health, better condition, usually naman nawawala yung bad breath. Okay? So before you say na meron kayong problema sa tiyan o yung bad breath nyo nagagaling sa tiyan or sa sinus, you clear first yung ating mouth. Okay? So these probiotics also have a pleasant taste. We have a member, a partner, ito ang napakabilis niyang i-dispose kasi she's a pharmacist. And she knows so well how good this product is. So, even if they have yung supply nila na probiotics, ito ang dinidil niya, more than that brand. Okay? So, because she already know how it works and how good it is. That's how we share love, right? We love whoever we love and then we give them the best product. Hindi yung cheap, alright? So from our gut health na ma-improve to our oral health, it usually manifests in a way na nawawala yung bad breath. Okay? The bad breath pag gutom ka, bad breath pag kagising mo, I say, those are normal. Kung nawawala din lang naman siya when you eat. Alright? So with the probiotics, it balances the oral microbiome. Hindi nagkakaroon ng overpopulation, hindi dumadami yung bad bacteria, dapat may balance pa rin talaga. Kasi kung dumadami yung bad bacteria, doon nagkakaroon ng disease, doon nagkakaroon ng infection. So, this probiotics is very good if you have this problem, persistent problem with bad breath, alright? So, pro tips. Gusto niyo po bang malaman? We have the 2x2x2 rule, and okay, I will go through them one by one. Oral prophylaxis po. 2025 na, nakapag-visit na po ba kayo sa inyong dentista? Yes, thank you for your understanding. Ang konti ng nag-yes. In a year, you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. I'm promoting my colleagues. Hindi para magkaroon sila ng pera, but why I'm telling this to you? So you can win them. Inuna ko na yun. So you can win them. Visit your dentist, your relative, whoever it is, and have your teeth checked. Please, it's very important. Kahit gaano kaganda ang ating toothbrush, gaano ka-effective ang ating toothpaste, if you have that existing problem, that calcular deposit. Ano po bang calcular deposit? Yung po matitigas. Usually you find them behind itong lower at saka dito na part ng yung ngipin. So we start with a clean slate this 2025. Bago natin i-promote ang ating oral care line, see to it na when we talk to our prospect or partners, whoever, maganda yung status ng ngipin natin, lalong-lalo na yung hangin na lumalabas sa ating bunganga. Para hindi po sila ma-offend. How can they believe that our toothpaste is very good? Right? Amen. Alright, so we start with a clean slate. Alamin ko marami pong guilty, but nothing is late, okay? So you can start now, you can start tomorrow, or when you go back to your hometown. And then, sino po dito ang may sasakyan? Di ba kayo po ginagastosan niyo yung preventive maintenance service? Kahit magkanong 1,000 yan. But the cleaning of your teeth, yun lang. Busy ako, wala akong time. Yan na po. So please visit your dentist. And then, as a dentist, and it has been my practice in my clinic, that after I clean my patient's teeth, I actually give them a toothpaste and a toothbrush. And when I check my record through the years, like from 2020, I asked my secretary, please make a, tawag nito, please take down note kung ilan nagpalinis nitong year na to. And then I observe, akala ko mawawalan ako ng pasyente dahil malinis na yung kanilang mga ngipin. No, they kept coming back. They kept coming back and they kept improving. That's the fact. As for my clinic, as for my own practice, I'm not making a lie. I just did not document. But anyway, this is not a case presentation kind of presentation. So hindi rin ako naglagay dyan ng mga actual pictures. Never mind. Kukwento ko na lang po. Kung matutulog kayo, that's up to you. So, nakakatuwa. And I'm parang ako naiiyak kasi nag-i-improve yung oral health ng aking pasyente. And I'm so glad. And I'm not afraid kung hindi siya babalik sa akin. I know babalik at babalik siya sa akin. Now, the way you're going to win your dentist is kayo po ang magbigay sa kanya ng toothpaste at saka toothbrush after nyong magpalinis. Right? Kung hindi pa siya atom yan, ha? I would love to see a lot of dentists here. I just don't know. Do we have another dentist in the house? Well, Doktora! Oh, tama po ba? All right, so I'll just continue. Thank you so much. Yes, you can win your dentist. You don't need to explain anything. Just say, ito pro tip to talaga. Sasabihin ko na, Doktora, yung tip. Doktora, thank you for cleaning my teeth. I have this very good toothpaste and toothbrush, and I'm giving it to you, try nyo po. That's all. You don't need to explain. And propolis, ganito, ganyan. Alam na po yan ni Doktor. So, just give. Right? And then you just wait. Doktora, na-try nyo na po ba yung toothpaste? That's follow-up. Okay? Pro tip talaga itong binibigay ko po sa inyo. Next. Twice a day. At least twice a day. You can do 3 times a day. But is it correct? You're doing it, but are you doing it right? When you wake up in the morning, who among you brush your teeth? Oh, very good. That's less than half. We start with a new habit at Tomians. When we wake up in the morning, we try to brush our teeth. Especially po pag may mga anak kayo. You start it in your home, you start in the family that you're building para makita rin po ng mga bata. Para ma-wash off yung napanis na laway overnight. Because while we sleep and the fact na hindi naman natin 100% nalinisan yan during the night, in fact, baka nag-midnight snack ka pa. Nag-overtime yung mga bacteria para kainin at mag-produce ng acid, sirain yung ngipin. Tapos magtataka tayo, no? So, let's do that. And then before bedtime. Before bedtime is very important. Sometimes with the busy schedule, please never ever forget to brush your teeth before bedtime. And after that, do not eat whatever. Do not drink any. Water lang is okay. Like I said, while we sleep, the bacteria works overnight and overtime. Mas masipag po sila kaysa sa mga atomians para sirain yung ating mga ngipin. Right? Yes. If you haven't done it at bustiso na kayo, pwede nyo pa rin gawin. But it's very important, please, to pass on this message sa mga anak nyo, tsaka sa mga apo ninyo. And I tell you, we can change the statistics. 2 minutes. You think you're brushing for 2 minutes? Or more? More? Depende. The truth is, a lot of us, para tayong kumakarera pag nagbabrush. Ha? Tapos very vigorous. Late na ako. Pero pag nagsi-cellphone, nako, 2 hours na. Hindi na malayan tapos ng 2 hours. But when you brush, it's so fast. Please don't do that. Get a timer, set your phone, or if you have any clock, try to observe, am I really brushing for 2 minutes? And I tell you, baka halfway 1 minute pa lang nangangalay na yung arms ninyo. Magpatingin na kayo kay doktora. But yeah, please, ako rin, I check it myself. Sabi ko, naku, I'm brushing less than 2 minutes. Kasi I thought 2 minutes is just very short. But it is very important. Why? Within 2 minutes at least, nakukover nyo lahat ng surfaces. And did you know na meron pa dito? Dito sa loob, pag naglilinis po kami, marami po dito. Pag madalas, malinis naman sa harap, madalas. Pero sa loob, pag tinaas mo yung dila, nandun, naipon yung mga tartar build up. Ang dami na through the years. So, magpalinis po kayo kay doktora. Ayan. And then, use small circular motion. Huwag niyo pong lalagarihin ito. Do not do a horizontal here. Over time, lalo yung mahilig at naniniwala pa rin sa matigas na toothbrush, nagkakaroon po dito ng caving in, nagkakaroon ng butas, then nagkakaroon ng sensitivity. Ala, bakit kaya? Through the years, kung gano'n ang practice po ninyo, masisira po yan. And your gums mag-shorten, may expose yung roots. Yun na naman si sensitivity, pangingilo. Oh, by the way, our toothpaste sa green tea extract, meron siyang component din na nakakatulong sa sensitivity. But it's not so strong. It's okay. Anyway, it's there. And what else? Dito, please include your tongue. Marami pong naiipon dito ng mga food debris. Mamaya babaho na. Okay? So please, hindi lang po ngipin ang meron sa ating bunganga. And then, ito po. Did you know that 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes after meal, doon pa lang kayo dapat pwedeng mag-brush? Nagmamadali kasi ako eh. Oh, nagunguya pa lang kayo, andyan na yung toothbrush. Why? Please, give your mouth the time para mag-remineralize. Let the saliva do its job. God made our bodies so wonderful na merong mga ganitong features. Like I said, hindi naman kinakain ng bacteria ang ngipin. Kinakain niya yung mga food debris and sugar na nakastick dun sa tooth. Nagpuproduce siya ng acid at yun ang sumisira sa ngipin. The saliva has calcium phosphate that should be enough to remineralize pag na-attack ng acid yung ating tooth surfaces. So, also, it neutralizes acid. Give it time. Kung late ka na, meron naman tayong travel kit. Bring it to your work, dun ka na lang mag-toothbrush. Ang problema, pagdating mo sa work, kape. Kape agad, that's another acid. Okay? Like in the morning, what's the first thing you get? Is it your toothbrush or the coffee? Coffee, of course. Thank you for your honesty. Very good, Atomians. So, another important pro tip na gusto ko pong ibigay. Wala pong mga bata dito. But usually, our toothbrushing habit, we most likely got it from our parents. Kung nakikita natin ganyan mag-brush, malamang ganun din tayo mag-brush. At ganun din tayo nakikita ng mga anak nating mag-brush. Are we showing them that we are enjoying what we are doing? No. So, unconsciously, na-adapt nila yan. At paglaki nila, ganun din. So, we need to change. something in our practice. We have to show them how enjoyable it is to brush your teeth. Ano po? Wala po akong makitang, can somebody upload? That's true, ma'am. I was looking for a picture actually that can change this to the Atomy toothbrush. Anyway, I believe this is forgivable for you, Atomians. I already discussed the, so slow and gentle and careful, hindi nagmamadali, and then we duplicate that good habit, and with that, we improve our oral health. And when we improve our oral health, we prevent ourselves from having the systemic diseases or worsening the systemic diseases that we get from other things. Okay, so this is a gentle reminder. Bilang dentista po, dental treatment is not expensive. Hindi nga. Of course. If you go to the clinic na maganda ang ngipin nyo, wala namang problema yung ngipin ko. Ba't ako pupunta sa dentista? Di ba ganon? No. Please. Cleaning is just how much? And you do it only twice a year. Yung PV nyo nga, ginagastusan nyo eh. Si doktora nangongonsensya. Alam ko po yan. So, pagka may ganyan na, pwede pa po yung isave. Medyo mahal ng konti. Sure, it's okay. At least, it can go a long way. But pag ganyan na, mura lang naman ang bunot, doktora. It is. But you have to replace that. You have to replace the function. You have to replace the beauty. We have a lot of beauty products and it will be shared sa next na presentation. But please do not neglect when you smile. Ano yung sabi nila? The smile is the most beautiful makeup you wear? Something like that. So, never mind the veneers. You can have that as much as you want. But please, make your oral health healthy first, okay? So before you have those braces and other things, go back to the basic and use the Atomy products and share the proper way of using the Atomy toothpaste, toothbrush, supplements. Okay po ba tayo? Yes, thank you po. So, take care of you and your loved ones' oral health by choosing the Atomy way. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. This is Cherry Litawan.